teachers. I'm going to show you how to put together the boxes to store your Chromebooks for the summer. So when you get the box, you're going to see a lid is attached. I'm going to pop the lid off. All right, how this works, you just kind of watch me a little bit. The sides of it, you push up, pop this around. You need to do this on both sides because when you roll the box, it's going to roll together. I'll show you just a second. Okay, you take one end, roll it up, and you've got tabs to put in. All right, that side of the box is done. You're going to roll it up, pop it in. All right, your box lid is ready. All right, so you're going to start seeing, we've got numbers on here. The number 2 is going to tell you to pop the perforation. There's a perforation at the number 2. So go ahead and pop that and bend it. And you can do the other side. Pop that and bend it. All right, here comes the fun part. Let's see what's fixing to happen. All right. So the number 2s, let me show you if I can show you here. All right, I'm gonna push this together and this together. So those were my number 2s. I'm gonna push them through the box all the way up. So you see, I have the 2s pushed up. All right, so I think what happens now is I take the number 1 and push it all the way through. All right, let's see what's gonna happen here. All right, so number 1, number 1 goes up. I still have number 1 and number 2. So the number 2s, I'm gonna press down. And you remember one of the numbers 2s had a hole. So that hole goes here for the box hole handle. This one comes up for the box hole handle. Then your number 1 becomes the bottom of the box. Alrighty. So the number 2s you're going to perforate, put those together, push those through, and start with the number 1 again. Alrighty.